Today, we're going to tackle a super useful skill that'll help you save space and make sharing files way easier, zipping and unzipping them right on your Chromebook. So let's just dive right in. You know that feeling, right? Your downloads folder is a total mess, or you're trying to email someone a bunch of photos and you have to attach them one by one. Well, zipping files is the perfect fix for both those problems. And guess what? It's already built into your Chromebook. So what even is zipping? Honestly, just think of it like packing a suitcase. You're taking a whole bunch of different items, your files, and you're bundling them all into one single tidy package. Not only does this keep everything organized, but it makes that whole package a lot smaller and faster to send. All right, let's start with the fundamentals. How to actually create a zip file. The best part about Chrome OS is that this is a built-in feature and it is incredibly easy to use. Zipping just one file is about as simple as it gets. Seriously, you just open up your Files app, find the file you want to shrink, right-click it, and you'll see an option right there that says Zip Selection. You click that, and bam, Chrome OS makes a zip file for you with the exact same name. Super clean. Okay, great. But what if you've got, a whole folder of vacation photos to send? The process is pretty much the same. In your Files app, just hold down that Control key and start clicking on every single file you want to include. Once they're all highlighted, right-click on any of them, hit Zip Selection, and you are good to go. Now, here's a little heads up. When you zip a bunch of files together, Chrome OS just calls the new file archive.zip by default. That's not very descriptive. So the key is to rename it right away. You can right-click and choose Rename, sure, but here's the pro move. Just click the file and hit Control+Enter. It's way faster. So you've mastered the basics, but what if the files you're zipping are, a little sensitive? Maybe some financial documents or something private. For that, you're going to want to add a password, just for that extra layer of security. And this is where we run into a little limitation of the built-in tool. While it's super fast and easy, it just doesn't have an option to add a password. To do that, we need a little outside help. The source material recommends a great free Android app called RAR. You can grab it from the Play Store, and it's perfect for this job. Using the RAR app is actually really straightforward. Once it's installed, you just pick your files inside the app, tap the Add to Archive icon. It looks like a little stack of books with a plus sign on it, and then you get to the important part. Tap Set Password. Put in whatever password you want, hit OK, and boom, you've just created a secure, encrypted zip file. Great! We've figured out how to pack our digital suitcase. So now, let's talk about how to unpack it when someone sends one to you. We're talking about unzipping or extracting the files inside. Your Chromebook gives you two main ways to go about this. The first method, Extract All, is the new, super fast way to do it if your system is up to date. The second method, a manual copy and paste, is the classic technique. It gives you a little more control and works on every version of Chrome OS, old or new. Let's start with the easy one. If your Chromebook has a recent updates, all you do is find that zip file, right-click on it, and choose Extract All. It's really that easy. Chrome OS then makes a new folder with the same name and puts all your files right inside for you. But hey, what if you right-click and you don't see that Extract All option? Don't worry, it probably just means your Chromebook needs a quick update. Just head into your settings, go to About Chrome OS, and hit Check for Updates. After a quick restart, you should have all the latest features, including that one. All right, now for the manual method. This works every time on any Chromebook. You just double-click the zip file. When you do this, it mounts the file, which basically means it shows up in your file system almost like you just plugged in a USB drive. You can see everything inside, and if it's password protected, this is where it'll ask you for the password. From there, just select the files you want, copy them with Control+C, go to where you want to put them, and paste with Control+V. Done. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's just do a quick run-through of the most important tips you'll want to remember. Getting these keyboard shortcuts down will make you so much faster. But there's one tip here I really want to call out: unmounting. Remember how after you manually open a zip file, it kind of sticks around in your sidebar like a flash drive? Well, it's good practice to click that little eject icon next to it when you're done. It just keeps everything nice and tidy. And one last, really important thing to put your mind at ease: the source material makes it very clear that this whole process is lossless. What that means is when you zip your photos or documents or even videos, and then you unzip them later, there is zero loss in quality. None. What you put in is exactly what you get out. And there you have it.
You are now fully equipped to compress, secure, and extract files on your Chromebook like a total pro. So I guess the only question left is, what's the first cluttered folder you're going to go organize?